Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Azure Data Analytics tutorials. If you are new to my YouTube channel, I would request you to subscribe and like and share my videos. Thank you so much. So as part of this video, I'm going to show you the difference between all and all except table functions. Okay, so what is a all function, what is a all except function? So we will see the differences between both of them in terms of theoretically, and we'll see practically. So let's see all is a table function. All except is also table function. So you can pass whole table as a parameter, or you can pass a few columns from a table. So here also the same. Here you have to pass more than one column from a table. So the basic functionality, what it will do is when you pass a table, okay, when you pass whole table, so your measure is going to ignore all the columns from the table. I'm repeating it again. If you pass a table as a parameter to your all function, your measure is going to ignore all the columns from those from the table. Okay, so it's going to ignore all the filters that you have created using using all the columns from the table. Okay, so if you pass only one column or more than one column from a table, it ignores all your filters, only the columns that you have explicitly mentioned in your all function. So the filters from the remaining columns of your table will be considered. Okay, so the columns that you have mentioned, all the filters from those columns will be ignored. Filters from the remaining columns will be considered. Okay, so here also you can, I mean, as I said, you can pass more than one column as a parameter to the all except function, right? So here what it will do is it considers only the columns that you have passed and ignores all the filters from the columns that you have not passed. Okay, so with the name itself, I mean, if you look at the name itself, says all except. So you considers, I mean, you ignore all the filters from the columns. I mean, you ignore all the filters except these columns. Okay, so I'm repeating it again. You ignore all the filters from the columns except these columns. Okay, so this is the discussion theoretically, and let's go ahead and look at practically. So I just have taken a simple table to explain you. I have taken a sample table and I'm having column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so as I told you, you can pass table or column to your all function, right? You see here I have taken only one column name in all function. Okay, I have taken the same column in my slicer. Slicer is nothing but filter. So I have selected this column, I mean this the value column 1, value 4. You see here the same is being displayed. What is the measure I'm having is this a values function. So values function works based on the filter context. So as your filter context is this the value, I just have concatenated. I mean, as you have only one value, that is fine. But if you see here, okay, so if you see this all function, I'm doing the same, all of the column name. So whatever you select here, this measure just ignores the selection and it displays everything. Okay. So as I have mentioned, only one, as mentioned, only this column, only filters from this column will get ignored. If you have any other filters from the remaining columns, they will be considered. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at the all except function. So the same thing I have taken. Okay. So if you look at the measure here, all except measure, see, I just have mentioned all the column names except column 1. So column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6. So if you look at this all except function, so the filters we have from all mentioned columns like column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5 and 6. So if you have any filters from these columns, they will be considered. So if you have any filters from, if you have any filters except these columns, they will be ignored. Okay, so as I have mentioned 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I mean except these 5 means what is the other one is 1. So I have taken the same column here, I have taken the same column here, and you see my, if you look at the measure, I mentioned all except, so the it is being ignored. The measure is displaying all the values from that particular column. Okay, so I mean, the filter is being ignored. So you see here it's a, I have used the same measure, so that's why the respective selected value will be displayed. Okay, so I want to show you one more example to explain it clearly. Let's take a table. So I'm saying all equal to, I'm mentioning all of sample table. So this will give the distinct values from all the columns. Okay. So you see here all the values and all the columns. So if you go here again, let's say only column 1. So all the distinct values from the column 1. Only single column. See, column 1 got, it got this, I mean table with single column got displayed. Okay. Now, so I have taken all of column 1, right? This is equal to all except of, okay, I'll create a new table. So all function of one column is equal to all except of the remaining 5 columns. Okay, you see the result. This is equal to the other all you have here. Okay, so the column name is also same. Okay, so when you have 5 columns, all of one column is equal to all except of 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the another advantage of all except function is, so if you see the original table here, you have 6 columns. So just assume you have, I mean, you created a new column called column 7, and you want to ignore the filters from that column also. Means if you have written all function, okay, so you have to change your code and you have to deploy back to the Power BI service. But if you go to all except, as you already mentioned, you need I mean, you have to consider only filters of these columns, and you ignored the except. I mean, you ignored, you mentioned ignore all the filters from the remaining columns, right? So your column 7 is a other column, right? So this code will work. You don't need to change anything for your new column. Okay, that is the other advantage with all except function. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe and please do like and share my videos. Thank you so much.